everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making rice, which is for chicken shawarma, chicken on the rocks. So if you guys didn't check out my previous video, then here's a little recap. I made chicken on the rocks shawarma, and I said that I would show you guys a different video of how I'm going to create my rice. So this is that video. So let's get into the ingredients that you'll be needing for the rice. You'll be needing 3 cups of rice. You'll be needing 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dry parsley, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and you'll be needing 1 cube of chicken broth. Usually I make my own chicken broth, but I'm making using this cube for now. And you'll be needing roasted garlic oil. To know olive oil. To know how I made this, and you guys are gonna have to go check out a video for how I made this. The video will be in the link description down below, as well as chicken on the rocks. So I also have a pot of boiling water on the stove. Okay, so here I have our chicken cube. Here I have our rice. Here we have our salt. Black pepper, turmeric, cumin powder, and parsley, dried parsley. And we have our roasted garlic olive oil. And again, go check out the video in the link description down below to find out how I made this. Mix it all together. Okay guys, so here we have our rice with some other food. We have some chicken on the rocks. To find out how I made that, you guys will have to go check out a video, which will be in the link description down below. And here we have some roasted garlic hummus, and oh my god, it smells amazing. You guys gotta go check that out too. The link will be in the description box. And then here we have some tahini, and then here we have some roasted garlic sauce. It smells amazing and tastes amazing. You guys have to go try to make this. The link will be in the description box down below. And yeah, now. Can you please take a moment to just admire how amazing this is? It tastes like garlic, just like everything. But now let's try the rice, which I am looking forward to. I'm gonna taste the rice, find out how this is. Let's go. Take it in. Cheers. Oh my god. I never thought rice could have so much flavor, guys. This is absolutely amazing. This is stunning, beautiful. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to hit that like button and subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!